Leadership is not about being the loudest voice in the class. It's about making every voice count. Hello everyone, I'm Saraswati and I'm standing for the position of head girl. My symbol is school bag. Every day, a bag carries books, goals and dreams. In the same way, I want to carry the responsibility of representing our school community with dedication and sincerity. Having previously served as an Yellow captain, I have gained valuable experience in leadership, responsibility and teamwork. And that role taught me how to deal with different people, take initiatives and responsibility with confidence. Being a head girl, I will be a bridge between students and school, listening to your ideas, representing your concern and supporting our school community. I will always strive to lead by example through discipline, responsibility and leadership. I believe leadership is not about power, it's about responsibility, service and valuing our school community. If you're looking for a leader who is more approachable, responsible and ready to serve our school community, I humbly ask for your vote. Vote for school bag. Thank you.